Hey guys! We're here at the Reef Beach Resort in Siargao along Tourism Road. First time visit for those guys and my second already. We checked in at Suite 105 and guys, ang laki at ganda talaga ng place. Spacious, fresh and tidy siya with fully equipped kitchen at living room pa. If kasama nyo yung family or friends nyo, katulad sa amin, dito kami lagi nagbabonding. Naglalaro ng cards, nagchichikahan, or tumatambay lang. They have 3 bedrooms. Ito yung bedroom 1 sa ground floor. Good for 4-pack siya. Sa second floor, ito naman yung bedroom 2. At syempre, yung master's bedroom. May sariling veranda ito where you can spend the time to relax and enjoy the view ng resort. Ganda, 'di ba? May resto bar din sila kung saan pwede mag-order ng masarap na kakainin. Maganda pa dito, may billiard sila. Nakikisali lang ako dito kahit di ako marunong. Did I mention pala, they also have their own gym at syempre, bilang athlete, di pwede mawala yung pag-workout ko kahit bakasyon. Suabe! Kahit pagod na, smile pa rin! May sarili din silang beachfront kung saan pwede ka mag-chill lang. At isa pa, itong resort malapit po siya sa best spots here in Siargao. A place to just unwind and be with friends, drinking your favorite mango shake at nagchichikaan. Ilang beses ko na sinabi to, ang ganda! Nasingit ko pa nga magpa-setup ng romantic dinner. Diba? Daming options! Bukod pa sa beachfront, may pool din sila. Sarap mag-night swimming! They also offer round-trip shuttle services to and from the airport. Thank you, Reef Beach Resort. Would surely recommend this, guys, and will definitely be back.